King Eze, Mr. Cut the Check, back at it with another quick video. Go ahead and share this video with 10 people that you want to see win big this year. And make sure that you're subscribed and you go ahead and hit that like button as well. This is going to be a really quick video. I want to talk about the trading mindset that you have to be able to survive trading binary options, especially by way of pocket option. This video is going to be titled The Gambler's Mindset. I could be very transparent. Like, I wouldn't come on here and begin to, make videos regarding this particular broker without being totally transparent. From a manipulation standpoint and different things that some folks experience and some folks don't experience. All right. So, it can happen in any experience, but what a lot of people, not necessarily a lot of people, but what some people deal with is like the slippage that can take place to where trades should have been won, but they weren't, stuff along those lines as far as winning or losing in this particular space. So what does your mindset have to be hitting on in order to really win in this particular space? First of all, the reason why I say that you have to have a real gambler's mindset is you have to be in a position to risk money that you can afford to lose and take trade amounts that don't make you feel away, that don't trigger emotions to where, if you were to lose, now you're upset, now you're revenge trading, or whatever the case may be. See, a lot of people find these videos on YouTube and get gassed up and fund accounts without having real skin in the game, without, really growing their mindset, without really growing their way of thinking, without really understanding what their risk tolerance really is. And, they just want to make money. And that mindset will have you chasing the market, will have you hitting buy when they're clearly selling, right? You want to make sure that you avoid those things. Right? You want to make sure that you avoid those things. So, like, what's the point of this video? The point of this video is to keep it a stack with you and help you understand that if you're going to trade binary options in particular, then you really want to adopt a I don't give a F mindset. Because, stuff like that happens in Forex as well. But like I talked about, there's different things that can take place in the market that you can't control. And you want to make sure that you focus on what you can control. So what is that? You can control your attitude and your activity, right? Your attitude. So what does that mean as it pertains to what we're talking about right now? Controlling my mindset. Understanding that I'm coming to the table with chips that I can afford to play with, and I'm going in here to have a good time. I ended up winning that. That's funny. But that's not the point, though. The point is the gambler's mindset is you want to go in there, you want to go in here and have a good time. See, like for me, my focus really is trading gold and Bitcoin as far as like leverage trading on the MetaTrader 4 side. But I had a mindset like if I was gonna bet on games anyway, then why not put some money that I was planning on betting in a binary options account, to where I have a little more of a controlled risk at my disposal. So that was something that I got really, really excited about. So, if you're somebody that blew a lot of accounts and that really had a lot of strife as it pertains to pocket option, but you understand that it could be money made on here. You understand that there are systems and different tools and strategies that could work on here if you work them. You just have to make sure that you have the correct mindset to be able to stay in the game. So that's what I'm excited about. 2022, the correct mindset to be able to stay in the game. So go ahead and share this with 10 people that you want to see win big this year. And I'm going to see you at the bank. Peace.